Well, hello. This is Renee Michelle Floyd, creator, CEO, and owner of Beautiful Hair Products. And today I wanted to talk to you about our Beautiful Hair Products Moisturizing System bundles. And I wanted to introduce you to our Argan Collection. Our Argan Collection includes all four of the products, which is your moisturizing spray, your conditioner cream, your moisturizing shampoo, and your argan oil with palmarosa and almond. Now, with this particular collection, you also get to have one of our super absorbent towel caps in either one of these colors. No longer do you have to walk around the house with a bath towel on your head. You get to have either the silver gray, the cream, the charcoal gray, or the cute pink. Now, the reason I like these beautiful super absorbent towel caps is, first of all, it's soft, it's super absorbent, it sucks up the water like a sponge, it's cute, it's warm, and it's versatile. And so with that, with the Argan Collection, you get to have either one of these four colors, and you get to have a satin sleep cap. Now, you know how at night when we sleep, sometime our hair gets dry when we just lay on the pillow or on our sheet. Well, you don't have to do that anymore. You have a baby pink satin sleep cap. It also comes in black, gold, and burgundy. So you get to choose either one of these colors along with your Argan Collection. So again, you get to have a satin cap in either one of these colors, a super absorbent towel cap in either one of these colors, and a satin pillowcase in black. And I love this pillowcase because it's soft, it's big, it fits your standard pillow, and it doesn't have a zipper which will tear up your sheets. It's an envelope and your pillow fits deep down into it, and it helps to keep your hair moisturized. So in case your satin cap comes off, you now have your satin pillowcase to also help with keeping your hair moist. So again, you get your pillowcase in black, your satin cap, your satin sleep cap in either pink, burgundy, black, or gold, and you get a super absorbent towel cap in either one of these colors, your cute pink, your charcoal gray, your cream, or your silver gray, and you get a free download of my eight quick and easy recipes and tips for 4C hair. And these are recipes that you can use to always have product on hand to keep your hair and scalp moisturized and conditioned. That's a free download. One more thing, you get free shipping in the USA. And so I am so excited to offer you this opportunity for your full size set of your Argan Collection, which includes your oil, the conditioner cream, the shampoo, and the spray. And you get a super absorbent towel cap in either one of these colors. You get the satin cap in either one of these colors. And you get your satin pillowcase as well, and you get your free download of the 8 quick and easy recipes and tips for 4C hair, and you get free shipping in the US of A. I can't wait to fill your order. Visit us at beautifulhairproducts.com today.